Yeah, another video. Yeah, I've been noticing. This is a different brand, but I've been noticing since that video I made, these do not have cottonseed oil in them anymore. Let's see, where's the fucking ingredient? Here we go. Sunflower seed oil. Got a hair on my tongue. Damn, that's disgusting. I hate that shit. Smoked oysters, sunflower seed oil, and or cottonseed oil. Well, I didn't see the and or there, but it tastes totally different. But it still tastes good. On the other packets that's not this brand, they no longer have cottonseed oil in them. This says and or, but the other ones do not. Get this motherfucker open. I'm getting tired of people for real. But yeah. Chicken of the sea. Brand, tuna fish brand. They make tuna fish. Didn't know they made oysters. Yeah, it tastes different. God damn, quit fucking coughing in the background. Shit. Sorry about that. I just had fucking them sharp noises just get on my fucking nerves. Them coughs, them bangs, them booms, and all that. And that's been happening a lot lately. My neighbors are fucking cancers. But never mind that. I'm gonna give it a taste. Now, oysters and clams don't really taste too different. So good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna start eating them again since there's no cottonseed oil. This says and or, but the other brands don't. So good. And sorry about the late video. Sometimes you just need a good long break. I've been playing Skyrim. Okay, that's good. Good as hell.